Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to read our new topic, that is adjective. So let's start it. So let's start our topic, that is adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Actually tell us more about the noun. It qualifies a noun. So students, you must know that what is a noun. Let me recall it. That noun is the name of person, place or a thing or an idea. So you can describe a person, you can describe a place. It's a beautiful place, it's a very kind person, it's a very interesting book. Book is a thing. So you can describe, you can tell more about that noun. Adjective से हमें ये पता चलता है that whatever we are studying, what noun we are studying, how it is, वो कैसा है, उसके बारे में more information you can get. An adjective is a word that gives more information about a noun that goes with it. It is a part of speech as well. So let me give you more example. Just like I bought a black shirt from the market. So the noun is market and a shirt as well. So I'm describing the noun, that is shirt, and how I'm describing that it is a black shirt. Okay, so you are going to tell about more about that noun. So student, let me give you the more example to understand the adjective more clearly. Just like a funny clown. Clown is a noun. It's the name of a person or name of a character. So it's the funny, it's the tall. You can add any word which can describe a clown. And the second example is a hot desert. So hot is an adjective. How? Because it is describing a desert. That whether it's a hot, whether it's a cold place or not. Now another example is broken egg, in which the broken will be the adjective. That how it is going to be the adjective, that it is telling us more about an egg, that how the egg is, whether its egg is boiled, it is broken or it is baked, whatever it is. So you can see many example. Red apple, in which the red will be the adjective. That why the adjective is red, because it describing, it is telling more us about the apple, that it is a red apple, it is a ripened apple or whatever. Okay, then old man is also an example of adjective, in which the old will be the adjective, because the old is telling us more about a noun. That what is a noun? Noun is a man. Okay, then sleepy dragon, sad boy, in which sad will be the adjective. So these are the example of adjective. So students, today our main topic is about the degree of adjectives. The adjective have 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Positive is simple one, in which you can compare, you can tell the quality of a noun, as we have studied in the previous slide as well, that it's a red apple, it is a tall grass. Like it's a very easy, we are not comparing anyone to any other noun. But in comparative, which is the second degree of adjective, we use to compare one noun to another. हम दो लोगों के दरमियान या दो nouns के दरमियान comparison करते हैं, उनका मुकाबला किया जाता है. Just like you are also looking at the example of the apples, like positive when you are only saying that it is a big apple, but when you are comparing it with the small apple, you can say it is a bigger than the previous apple. Bigger than, you are comparing it, आप उसका मुकाबला कर रहे हैं कि ये दूसरे एप्पल से बड़ा है. तो वो जो आप कंपैरिजन करते हैं to describe a noun, that is called the comparative degree of adjective. Okay, now the move towards the third one, that is superlative adjective, in which we are going to compare 3 or more nouns. जैसे आप you're looking at the picture in which you can see the biggest apple, in which अब आप क्या कर रहे हैं कि आप पिछले 2 एप्पल्स के साथ इस एप्पल को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं कि बाकी दोनों एप्पल से जो सबसे बड़ा एप्पल है उसको आप बिगेस्ट कहेंगे. ठीक है, कंपैरेटिव में हमेशा सिर्फ आप 2 लोगों के दरमियान कंपेयर करते हैं, लेकिन सुपरलेटिव में आप एक से ज्यादा लोगों के दरमियान या एक बंदे को बाकी सबके साथ कंपेयर किया जाता है, एक नाउन को. ठीक है, so in which you can identify the comparative and superlative degrees of adjective. Okay, let's understand the degree of comparison in detail. When you are writing a word, that is any kind of word, like I'm giving the example of small, it is a simple adjective. But when you are writing it as a comparative, then you have to add er after it. Smaller, that will be comparative. But when you are writing the superlative degree of adjective, you always have to add est after that letter, that's smallest. Warm, warmer, warmest. old, older, oldest. So kindly read these all examples that will understand, that help you to understand clearly.